Here's a quick summary of how one-to-one projects work on Cad Crowd. Basically, one-to-one projects allow clients to hire you directly for CAD design or engineering work directly through the Cad Crowd platform without posting a design contest. How they can hire you is pretty straightforward. You can see their client help section here and share that link with them if they have questions. In general, you'll receive a message before a one-to-one project is initiated asking if you're available and how much you'll quote for the actual work done. So for a client to hire you, once you've quoted the work, all they have to do is go to your designer profile page. Feel free to share that URL with the client. Once they're on your user profile page, all they have to do is click Hire, Invite to Project, and Create New Project. Then they briefly describe the project, scope of the work, and that sort of thing, and confirm the project, and then you just submit your work through that one-to-one project page. If you have any other questions, please let us know. Thanks a lot.